Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the image and Excel open. Make sure the picture is sharp and the table is legible. First, crop tightly to the data so Excel's recognition focuses only on cells, then check orientation and contrast because poor contrast hurts accuracy. Once done, in Excel select Insert then Data from Picture. On mobile tap the camera icon. On desktop choose Picture from File then right-click to convert. You're initiating OCR now. This step speeds everything that follows and reduces manual cleanup. After importing, Excel runs OCR and shows a detection preview. Pay attention to cell boundaries because misaligned columns yield shifted values. You should systematically review the review pane and correct misread letters that look like numbers, such as O versus 0, and fix merged or split cells so formulas will work. Make sure numeric formats are set, toggle currency, date, or number where appropriate, because OCR often imports numbers as text. Converting them now prevents errors later. Once corrected, click Insert to place the data. You now finalize by converting any remaining text numbers using value or Excel's text to columns, and then verify totals and formulas so calculations update correctly. If you see systemic recognition errors, retake or recrop the photo and re-import. Small improvements in lighting and alignment often fix most issues quickly. If the table layout is unusually complex, you should copy simple blocks and enter a few cells manually rather than struggling with broken OCR. One tip: save a copy before heavy edits so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.